Alright, what's up, YouTube? It's Just Ray Zay. We out here, man. Got my man Talented out here. What we about to do to the Talented, bro?
My shit back together, man.
What you mean your shit back together? You gotta give them the insides, bro. They don't know everything.
Man, about to put this. Y'all seen what it was on the other
Oh,
video?
yeah, you right. Oh, right.
Y'all
You right.
seen?
You right. I forgot. But look, though. So what we doing today, though? Just let them know what we doing today, bro.
You said what, brother?
Let them know what we doing today.
Today, we got to, already put the headlights in as y'all can see right there.
These new, right?
Yeah, brand new.
Brand new Halo jumps, y'all. Fucking,
Yeah.
they look way better than the old ones. We gotta tell them that. I forgot to tell them. These new head. Look at them. They
I'm about to put the bumper back on.
Put the bumper on.
Put the inner liners on.
Okay, inner liners. This the inner liners too, y'all. I know y'all might not know. Some niggas might.
Make sure everything lined up right.
Oh, this new too, bro.
Yeah.
This new, y'all.
This is
That's the old one, matter of fact, right
belly
there.
splash pan. Yeah, or it could be a different name for it, you know.
Fuck it, we got it on. Y'all see what we talking about though. But look, though, we about to put the bumper on. So right now we trying to put this on first.
Yeah.
Why not put the bumper on first though?
Cause this gotta go on first, so it can line up to the bumper.
You don't got to, bro. Cause remember, sometimes you take the bumper off, this should still be hanging once you take the clips off. Cause the clips go into the bumper, right?
It don't matter.
That's what I'm saying. You should put that on last though. I ain't gonna hold you. It don't matter, but I feel like it'd be easier. You know what I'm saying? If you think about it. Yeah, he rushing us, so he just trying to get this slow motherfucker back on the road. It's cool though. She looking dirty though. I can't talk. My shit dirty too. It's cool though.
Probably only did my shit gonna look dirty right here.
Alright, so first step. What we doing, bro? Right now, you just gonna throw the bumper on. Oh, you gotta put the clips in. Boom, putting the clips in.
With a bunch of brand new clips, you know them Dodge clips there.
So you just put this one in there, right?
You take the clip off and
Yeah, that's new. Yeah, it's a new clip, and that's a new clip. This should be on tight.
That's time I changed that clip right here.
Oh, you changed it now? I'm about to say that one look a little old. I did say it was new. That one ain't new, my bad. Alright. We got it. So what's next though? What's the next step? Oh, so you keeping this? You ain't changing that though, right? But that really ain't really nothing. I mean, it look bad, but who gives a fuck, right?
Nah, but I've been the back, so it's straight.
Yeah, it ain't that. Oh, it's the bracket. Okay, cool. We back in business, baby. My nigga is not playing.
YouTube, this how you put the bumper back on. Alright. Hey, hold it like in the middle. Right. Correct. Hold it in the middle like that. But don't let it drop, bro.
Oh! Now, my hand is gonna die though. I ain't gonna hold it.
Hold on, I gotta get the bolt. Alright, sorry.
This is supposed to be, it ain't in there all the way. Damn, this shit feel fresh though. Shit feel good. Come on, bro. What we doing, bro? You want me to get jump on the bumper or you got it? We should try back down. Oh.
You said what?
It's supposed to go on the outside of this, right? It's supposed to go on the outside, right?
Oh, that I can't even push you up. We only hold up.
Hey, I think you probably ain't been this bracket out enough. You think so? It look like it's touching.
No, that's how it lines up on both sides.
But your shit touching and it's on though, right? That boy car about to be pulling to the left. Might, I don't know. So y'all want me to try and put this shit in? Oh man, don't record me. Don't record me. What's up, Johnny? Oh. Is you putting the muscles to work now? Struggle. Come on. Come on, man. Oh. There we go. Looking straight. Oh. No. Alright, y'all. So far, we got one side clipped in. Y'all can see one side jack clipped in. It ain't all the way bolted in though, but one side is in there. Take you to the other side, looking sweet. You gotta pull the muscle, Slim.
Hey, push on it.
Whoa, which one you talking about? Cause right here.
Yeah.
Let me sit y'all down. Let me shit. Boop.
It's not touching. That's my hand. My hand right here. It's not touching. I'm pulling it right now. It's not touching.
Woo! Alright, y'all, we gotta take it back off. Ain't lining up, man. Ain't lining up. We know why, though. We know why. We just gotta bend a little something back, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? So once we bend this little piece back, we good. You know what I'm saying? Just race Zay. We out here looking sweet. Hold up. Yeah, you had to get that in the camera. That thing look good. I might have to go hump it a bit. Oh! She taking a beating, y'all. Sometimes you gotta do shit like that. So right now we just hitting that metal frame part. We just gotta hit it back out. You know what I'm saying? Just to get the bumper to fit. Oh, but what is that? Damn! Hold on. What is that? Is that an SS? Yes, it is. Looking sweet. Super fade. Hold up. Dang. Super stretch. I stretch shit. I mean super fade. So I stretch shit super fast, super stretch. You get it. Alright, we back. Oh. Bingo. We got it bent out a little bit. So now you gotta try to put it back on. Them joints sold out.
Now was champ back then,
and it's
champ now.
It's still not.
No, bro.
Look, that's one nigga opinion.
No, bro.
Your one opinion doesn't add up to all them sales. They sold more than just because you ain't buying.
All I gotta say is right. If you was embarrassed to wear them back then, you should be embarrassed to wear them right now. That's the name for the high price.
Nobody was embarrassed to wear them.
Shouldn't be.
Niggas don't wear them now because they just champ as shit.
Now niggas was getting fired up back then.
Hell nah. After they got played out.
I fired up a couple niggas.
No, you didn't. They must have fired your ass up with them motherfuckers, boy.
Oh, these Air Max.
Them motherfuckers ain't Air Maxes. Them motherfuckers done, Slim.
Nah, brother, I wasn't
Them Jones black as shit. Ain't even orange no more.
They ain't supposed to be.
The
Them
bottom,
called
the bottom not even white no more.
They work shoes.
How you gonna talk about the wavies and you out here looking a little? Hey, I might say looking sweet, just 'cause they orange, huh? Man, what you doing now? You throwing a little top boat in right there. I don't know if y'all can get it.
These work joints. I know you ain't talking with your little running joints.
Oh, these dirty though. These work shoes.
I put now those work.
I'm just saying you can't go in a nigga's shoes right now when you ain't wearing nothing good. That's just like, you know what I'm saying. You talking shit, but just.
There goes white.
Yeah, we be doing the same job next week.
Tom, what's up with your broken legs, man? You ain't watch my videos, did you?
Nigga, I watch all your videos.
You a lying ass nigga. What's that video I posted right now? Let me know.
Nigga, when y'all was at that little car meet.
Oh, my nigga, my nigga.
Pow, pow, you hear me?
Oh, no. It wasn't no pop in that last video.
No, it wasn't. That's when y'all was at the
Oh,
bullshit.
he a lying ass
Police
nigga.
pulled up on y'all little slow cars, man.
Okay, that was the last video, okay. Oh, he watching them. Hey, nah, hey, y'all, he said he watching them, y'all. Looking sweet, got this slow ass 300 out here.
The new one was like that.
What's in the cup, though? It smells some Henny.
Nah, not for the dealership.
I smell some Henny.
It was a new jump, but
Yeah,
it
we
wasn't
slow
made
anyway.
by Chevy. You know what I'm saying? Like,
What's that in your head, though, bro?
They eating shit, man.
Alright, y'all, so look, we got the bumper on. You know what I'm saying? All we gotta do is put the tires back on. And we done, baby. And we're done. Oh, and the fucking fender joints right there. Put those back on. You know what I'm saying? Woo, it's windy out here. Alright, y'all, it's just race day, so look, I got the camera a little tilted and it's not enough room in the Camaro. But yeah, we put the bumper on. All we had left was to put the tires on. All we had left was to put the tires on, so everything else is on. I just gotta go. I couldn't stay long because I gotta go do something, but yeah, it's put together. I wanted to get some footage and show y'all like how I look when it's rolling and all that. And I wanted to get a race in, but I gotta go. But I'm gonna get a race in probably this weekend or tomorrow or something. But stay tuned, man. It's just race day. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video also. Follow me on Instagram at @turnedup_Zay. And yeah, we lit.